What's up guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we have a cool theater room that we want to show you guys. This is day one. It's a 2-day project, so we're gonna get most of everything installed today, but I want to go over what we're doing and show you guys all the cool, awesome stuff. So for this particular theater, we're gonna start off with the Sony 4K 295 ES projector. Phenomenal projector, guys. And then as you go underneath this, to run this theater, we're using the new Denon S960H 7-channel, 90 watts a channel, guys. And then for bass, we want a lot of bass in this room because we love movies, so we're using the new Sonance Impact 12-inch subs, the I12s. And for the left and right speaker, we're using KEF, all KEF in this theater, guys. So we're the 650Cs. And then because of the cabinet design, we're gonna go with the 250C for the center channel. We got watt box for surge protection. And then of course, staying with KEF for the rears and Atmos speakers, the Ci160ers. And then to control this theater, we're using the MX990 with an RF base station. So the screen is the 120 inch that's going up on day 2. It'll be 120 inch with the RGB Phillips Hue light kit, which is super awesome. So to add to that, we're gonna do something cool underneath the floating cabinet with some of the Phillips Hue RGB strip lighting. So we can tie the underneath lighting to the lighting around the screen. It's just kind of something cool to show with movies and whatnot. And obviously we got the strong projector mount that makes it nice and easy. And what else we got going? I think that's it. So can't wait to show you guys everything as we get going, and stay tuned. All right guys, so we're getting the last of the speakers in. Casey's doing the last one there. Let me show you a little bit of the room. We got the rear one there, he's putting in the grill. These are the KEF speakers, the Ci160s. And then in front of that is the Atmos. And let me take this around. We'll show you what Ronnie's doing on the front wall.
Getting some batteries out. Important things you must have.
So placing everything in the front cabinet. So what we got, we have the 650 over there on the left, and then trying to hide all the wires and make it all look nice and neat, clean. You know, we're drilling holes through the cabinet so we can tack it up. So obviously there's no doors on the front part of the speakers, and the down below the center channel there, you know, you'll see the receiver, there's no door on that as well. They may or may not make doors later to cover those, but as of now, it's just open. So we're trying to make it look as clean as possible. So again, we have the left, center is in the middle, and we have the right speaker, then we'll put the subs on either side of the cabinet. Let me show you, we'll have one going over there, and then let me scroll over here. Well, behind that box, we'll have one over there. So you can see that, we have those. And then underneath the cabinet, we're gonna have some cool RGB lighting that will go underneath. So still got lots to do. A few more holes to drill, some vacuuming, but moving right along. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back. Hope you guys have liked the video, subscribe, comment, and until next time guys, see ya.